Okay, so in this video now, I'll be showing you how to open accounts for your agent, your customers as a moneypoint agent. All right, how to open account for customers. All right, so let's get started. So now log into my moneypoint app. My moneypoint app. Okay, so I'm logged in already. So now before you can do this already, you must have accepted being a card seller. All right, you must have accepted being a card seller, which I have shown you already how to do. So now to give out cards, to create an account for your customers and for it to read for you that you're the one that referred the customer, you can do one of two things. All right, first of all is you click on this earn and refer, earn from referrals. All right, click on earn on referrals. You click on it. So what you do now is you copy this link here by clicking this invite a customer button. All right, so once you get it, then you click on copy. All right, so once you copy the code, this link, you can now paste it to your customer through WhatsApp. All right, you can paste it to them on WhatsApp. All right, so you can paste it to your customers on WhatsApp, then they follow the link and then download the app. Okay, paste it to them on WhatsApp. So after you paste that link, and then the customer now, once they click on it, to take them to Play Store to download the app, or you can share the moneypoint app to the customer and then copy this link. As you open to this part here now, this referral, and you'd always get this, you always see this here. So even if you don't share the link, you can share this code here, this code I just circled, and then the customer will put it on their app, and then it will read for you that you're the one that invited the customer, and then they will give you your referral bonus. All right, so that's how you create account for your customer. So now to give out ATM card, all right, I'll show you how to do it. So let's say you've already invited a customer to download the app and use your referral code or use your referral link. All right, so now the person has created the account, putting their BVN, putting their details and all, you understand, and then the account is now created. So what you now do is you click on card sales to give the person card and then make your 900 naira profits. You click on this card sales, right? You click on it. So you can see I've not given out any card for now. Then you click on this plus sign here, right? Click on this plus sign here. You click on the plus sign, then you click on assign card. Click on assign card to customer. All right, click on it. Then now what you now do is you now put in, once the account has been created, the person opens the app, they'll see the account number there. They collect the account number and put it in this box here now. All right, so as the money is in this box now, as they put the account number in this box now, this assign card here will turn blue. All right, assign card will turn blue. You click on the assign card, you click on it, and then meanwhile the person must have already have 1000 naira already in their account. All right, so as they have that 1000 naira in their account, maybe you click on assign card, the 1000 naira will be deducted from the account. Moneypoint takes 100 naira, and then you have 900 naira left as profit, right? So please, if you like this video that I've made, please subscribe to my channel, like, and then share and comment. All right, thank you, and then let me know whatever issues you have again so I can help you resolve them. Thank you.